Yo, so what's good, guys? We're back with episode 4 of the trading journey that we started, and today was a bit of having a lot of chaos that I want to take you through. We were floating almost 50% of our 1 to 2 risk to reward, that is around $45, and news did its thing. So by the time my profit was reading $45, I'd already moved my stop loss to around negative 10. So news came in and kicked that away. So we are down $10 plus the commission, that's around $3. That's around $13 in total. So I'm gonna take you through how I came up with this setup. Sure. So let's dive in. So the price today was seriously bullish, and in the 1 hour, so we saw a change of character in the 15 minutes time frame after creating this beautiful M right over here. I'm just gonna draw it and use so that you can see that way, then up. So if I move this outside, you can see it's an M. And what do M symbolizes? When we see the M, we see bearish movement of price. So I waited for a break of structure, and break of structure was happened, and I was already in. So news came by at around 5 p.m. exactly Kenyan time, and decided to reverse on us. But lucky enough, I protected my capital by moving my stop loss to around negative $10. You get what I'm saying? So I just never wanted to let it go to that extent because it couldn't make sense. You were seeing profit then going back to losses. So anyway, we are down negative 13. That is not much to me. That's like a break-even day. We managed our risk pretty well because we knew what was coming for us. So that's what's up. So we are back to 177.92. That is 3.56% of the account, and I remember our target is about 8%. So this week what I've been doing is staying and watching, because I didn't trade on Monday because the market didn't present itself. There was a lot of red folder news, and I wasn't going to risk all my capital because of that. So protecting your capital is the most key thing when you're trading. So that's what happened today, and we are down negative. We're down $13. Yeah. So that's what's up. Never knew the buyers were going to come back in, but anyway, news caught us unaware. Today is Tuesday, and you can see 5 p.m. we had Governor Bailey speaking, and the Fed chair, Mr. Powell was also testifying. Yeah, get what I'm saying? So that was hard on us. The movement of the candle reversed massively, and our stop loss was hit. Lucky enough, we managed to protect our capital by moving our stop loss almost closer to break even. That is negative $10. Yeah. So that is what has happened today, and what you've learned today is that protecting your capital is much more important in the trading game, because we are all here to make money and not to lose money. So if you want to make money, you make sure the amount of money that you're losing is minimal to what you're making. So making sure your losses are minimal is the only right way to go. So that's what happened today, guys. Tomorrow is Wednesday, and we'll be having Fed Chair Powell will be testifying again tomorrow at around 5 p.m. We'll see what London session has for us. Then we'll come back to trade. And if there will be no setup, then it means we will be trading next on Friday, because at 2 p.m. Governor Bailey will be speaking. That is on Thursday. Then 3:30 p.m. there will be a final GDP and an unemployment claims of the United States of America. So Thursday is not a good day for us to trade. Let's see what tomorrow has for us. That is Wednesday, and then we'll get back to work. If the 2 days don't give us anything, we'll watch out for Friday and see what will be happening. So that's what has been happening. Hope you've learned something, and let's meet in the next episode. Peace.